Okay, it's our 5th week birthday.
Maya.
We're playing in the backyard. Everybody's thirsty, girls. It's like a little trough. What you doing, Pumpkin?
Penny. Penny.
There's Uncle Bobby.
Penny.
There's Mama. She's being nice and sharing today.
Go, Penny.
Hey, Pants. Come here. Come on, don't run away from them. Come here.
She's coming over on her own way.
Here we go. Say hey. Say hey, Auntie Penny. I know, you're not in love with these babies. Hey, Munchkin. Alright.
Good girl, Phoebe. Hold on.
What? Oh, somebody's pooping. Whoops. We'll let her finish. Good job. Our
Good girl,
first
Phoebe.
potty's outside.
Maya, you don't have to clean it up out here.
Lucas, don't play in your sister's poop. Oh, that's sweet kisses. Phoebe, you love your Uncle Bodie? Or is that Addie? I can't see. Get him, Lucas. Get him.
Zoe, why are you chewing on gumballs?
So,
Maya,
I'm not
Maya,
too
Maya.
bad. Maya, you don't have to eat it, sweetie.
There, it's covered.
And we'll end the video with that.